Today we're making scrambled eggs. So what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to heat up your pan. And you're going to need to get a little bit of butter so that your eggs don't stick. And then what you're going to need to do is you need to crack, I would recommend cracking your eggs into a separate bowl so that if you get any shells or if it's just a bad egg, that can not ruin the rest of your eggs. And then put that in this bowl. Then crack your second one. And put that into your bowl. And then wash your hands, because we're just going for our eggs. And then you add a little bit of milk. Just enough to make them fluffy. And then you whisk them together real good. And then just set your whisk aside. And then put your egg in the pan. You want a little bit of sizzle, but if you have too much, that means your pan is too hot. Now what you're going to do is season your egg. I like a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. And then what you're going to do, you aren't going to completely massacre the egg. You're going to keep folding in from the sides. And you'll see the egg is coming back. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. And then just keep folding around. And just keep folding it. So you get a nice yummy egg. You want it kind of soft, but you don't really want it wet. Then you're gonna pull it off the heat right before it becomes completely dried up. You need to pull the eggs off when they're still a little bit wet, so that because they will continue to cook. Hot but yum.